In today's video we will demonstrate how to set up your church ledger, chart of accounts. This is the most important part of your church accounting task. Let's begin by clicking on the church ledger button and signing in using your second-level password. This is your church general ledger. From here click on the chart of accounts button in the top right corner. This is where you will set your chart of accounts for the church book general ledger. It is always a good idea to have a general knowledge of your church accounting practices. The general ledger is your church book and not your bank account. Bank information for your general ledger can be accessed by clicking on the bank information button. As you go forward, it is critical to have a clear understanding of the difference between an income account versus an expense account. To set up your church book account categories and subcategories, you need to associate each account category with an appropriate subcategory under the income or expense account type. For instance, the fundraising category can have subcategories like bake sales and pledges. This will help you organize your church's finances better and keep track of various transactions. A good example of an expense category is salaries and wages. Replacing the demo information here with information such as your pastor's name or other members of staff that is on payroll. Under the utilities category, create subcategories for your electric, water, and phone companies. This will help when entering transactions into the ledger. Take the time to get this part right and benefit from a solid set of church books. This concludes this tutorial on your church chart of accounts.